This is Baker 6. Request immediate support. Target is Yoke Tear 515. Yes, I know that's where the hell we are, but I don't expect to be here much longer. I call an artillery strike. Fall back! Move! I'm scared.
Let's go help the paint. No, don't you do that. Come on, Smitty, you stay with me. Let's go, we gotta move.
Everyone, off the ridge.
Will you look at that, guys? Look at that. Everything's red. Now, first of all, what I want to say to some of you guys is it is not just your coin that is red. I know some are more red than others, but remember, it is the whole crypto market that is in red today. Now, in today's video, I'm going to take you guys into the members club. I'm going to show you guys what I've just updated them with and why all of us are we're just not panicking, right? This is a massive opportunity. Alright guys, so I just updated everybody in the private community, but I thought, you know what? Probably there's a lot of you guys who watch the videos who you could just do with this video, you could do with some words of reassurance. Now, I posted this, well, when was this? Like an hour ago or something, right? We've been following Bitcoin, ETH, the total crypto market cap, and yes, we're just going to check out the Market Watch tab today, right? And this is where we just check the general sentiment of the market, what it's looking like, what we can be expecting. We're still respecting this trend that we printed in early March, and yes, don't put too much weight into trend lines, guys, because they work until they don't, right? That's just how it goes with trend lines. If we do decide that we don't want to respect this trend line anymore, then I've got a key level that I want to be taking action at, and that's going to be here, guys, in this top up zone. So anywhere between this like sort of high 56 all the way to 61k, I'm going to be topping up not only Bitcoin but Ethereum and some of my alts as well, depending on the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Now, a lot of people are calling for 50k Bitcoin. They've been saying a massive shakeout's going to come, but I really just can't see us going lower than the point of breakout for this leg, guys. I could be wrong, and again, none of this is financial advice. This is just how I see it at the moment, but I don't see us going lower than 52k. And if we do go to 52k, then you best believe that everything in the portfolio is getting wrecked, okay? It's going to get wrecked, and you just have to be okay with that. This is crypto, guys, and that's going to bring me on to my next point. In crypto, guys, we've just got such a short-term memory, it seems, right? Everybody is so zoomed into the chart. Some of you guys, you're trading the 1 minute chart. I see some mad stuff on my timeline, guys. I see some crazy stuff. Yeah, 1 minute in, out. No, okay? We're not doing that. We need to look at this in the bigger picture. We need to look at the bigger picture, basically, guys. Now, remember that last time Bitcoin corrected, we all survived an 18% shakeout, okay? And that was here. When we went up past the all-time high, up to like 74 or whatever it was, we had a massive 18% correction, and the alts went down with it, guys. It's just that people don't remember because we have had a recovery since then. Now, I do think that we're not far along enough in the cycle to believe that this is the end of the cycle. I can't see this being the top at 74k and then we go down. I'm sure a lot of you guys will agree with me. You can let me know in the comments how you're feeling. But on top of this, we're nowhere near as harsh as what we were in the last cycle, and we're going to get into that in just a second. But even post-halving, we have to prepare for days or weeks like this. And the sentiment in crypto, it changes like the weather, guys. When it's green, everybody's happy and crypto is going to make them a millionaire. And then on red days, crypto's a scam. I'm so glad I got out of this coin. I knew it was going to dump. No, we're going to go down all to this. And then all of a sudden, everybody knows the exact price to the dollar that we're going to go down, guys. Okay, just be careful who you're listening to online. And then we can't forget about the big daddy Ethereum as well, because remember, Ethereum is what drives a lot of our altcoin pumps. Now, isn't it funny how less than a week before the halving, everything crashes? Do you not find that a bit amusing? Because I do. And yeah, I mean, look, seeing the portfolio down like 30%, I'm still smiling because I know what the game is right now. But still seeing that decrease in your dollar amount, it is not nice, and I get it's not nice for a lot of you. But again, we must stay positive. I mean, were you here to sell now? Were you here to sell at 74k? I'm sure you weren't, okay? So all this noise just doesn't need to be having too much of a focus on. Now, I know that I sound like a broken record, and I sound like a broken record to these guys more than I do to you, but we're expecting pre and post halving volatility. It's just expected. And the difference is that a lot of you guys now, many of you guys who are watching the videos, I know that you're starting to get clued up to the games way more than what we had in the last cycle. And now remember, guys, we're in crypto because of the volatility that it offers. This is presenting major opportunities that the traditional market just doesn't offer, okay? I mean, you can go and put your money in the stock market and maybe it's a bit safer. Go and put it in high interest bonds or whatever, and then yeah, you know, you can make your 10-15% a year, but you're not getting 10, 20, 50 X's anywhere else, okay? Unless you get really lucky in, I don't know, some startup. But everybody should be okay with this. We're in crypto for the volatility. And that means you're in it for both sides of it, guys. You can't just be in it for the green days. So just remember, it's not about the dollar amount that you do hold in your portfolio at this point. It's about the total coins that you hold. Hold the F on to your coins. They can manipulate the price, but they can't manipulate your bag, okay? Don't let them do it. And then just lastly, a perspective check for everybody who is in their first cycle. This is what we had to endure to make it to the end of the last bull run, guys, okay? This is what we had to endure. It is not easy, and that's the whole point. It's not easy. Everybody thinks it's so easy to become a millionaire in meme coins, to just hodl your bag and become a millionaire by the end of the year. It's not easy because emotions come into play, guys. And once you can control your emotions, you're good. Now look at this, guys, okay? The halving, May 2020. Were you there? Let me know in the comments if you were there. A few months after, maybe like a quarter after, we had a 20% correction. Another run. An 18% correction, another run. A 30% correction, another run. A 25% correction. The alts were getting absolutely fiddled with, right? In these dips. It was not nice. And I was here through it, mate. I was here through it, right? So when it does start to happen again, but you're in this area compared to this area, you think, well, obviously I'm not going to sell yet. Why would I sell yet? It makes zero sense. It almost angers me when I see people starting to say, oh, should I sell my bags, right? I mean, we're here, okay, guys? We're here. We're not even at this part yet. So again, while the markets can get manipulated and while it can be hard to hold onto your bags when they're like down 40% and you're looking at it thinking, is crypto a scam? Should I just get out of it now? It's too much. Remember what is to come. So that's it. This was just a bit of an off-script one, just me to you. I thought I would share you what I do share with the private community and why we're just chilling at this point in the market. And again, if you want to go check it out, you can go check it out. Links are all in the description. And until next time, it's been your boy Lex Money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.